We started business 7 years ago, operating out of the headquarters in Derby, where we have design, we have pattern making, we have a logistics operation. Our garment manufacturing plant is in Bulgaria, just outside Sofia, the capital. Everything is controlled under our ISO 9001, and therefore we have a complete system which is totally auditable. If we look at the market in terms of three distinct sectors, the first sector and the most important from our perspective is fire and rescue services. Fire and rescue services in the UK, in Europe and globally. The second sector is the industrial fire services, where large chemical plants, refineries, that type of business need a fire brigade on site all the time so they can react instantly whilst a local fire and rescue service come to help attend and control the incident. And then the third part of the marketplace is airports, and every airport has to have a fire and rescue service on board. They have to be fully trained and they respond as an airport fire and rescue service who understand the particular problems, high heat for example, that are created through fires with very, very specific types of materials such as titanium, stainless steel, etc. From export point of view, we see it as being a very big future because there's global expansion, for example, still in petrocarbons, in chemicals. There's a lot more with fracking going on where there's more protection constantly needed. And we see that as a market that we can open up.
I always see FlamePro as an innovative organisation that won't produce goods out of the standard. They will listen to the customer, they will develop and design to the customer's needs. When I joined the fire service over 35 years ago, we were wearing woolen fire tunics, leather helmets, rubber wellies. Then in recent years, a new fabric came onto the market, a fabric based on a unique fibre called PBO. People were unwilling to try this, they didn't want to move forward. FlamePro, however, grabbed the baton and ran with it, producing now what I consider to be the strongest, lightest fire kit in the world. A typical firefighting ensemble, so that's jacket and trousers, in North America could weigh maybe 6 kilos. The innovative Millennia kit, the FlamePro kit, weighs just 2.5 kilos. That's 2.5 litres of water, to put it into terms that we can all relate to. So it makes life easier for the firefighter, yet it still gives them exactly the same amount of protection when entering a burning inferno. Invariably, firefighters' clothing will get damaged and it will need to be repaired. So this kit has been designed in such a way to reduce the cost of repairs. So the tape, the inspection panels inside, everything about this should mean that the full life cost of this kit is significantly reduced to other manufacturers.
We pride ourselves on being a company who can react rapidly to one single customer who wants one product. And at the same time we can react equally quickly to a company who wants 1,000 products. We are capable therefore of looking after the small customer and looking after the large customer and satisfying their requirements.